And Jesus is alive.
What happened to you, lady?
Chimpedde ku musumba, chimpedde ku buli kime kyange. Basaba ngamba ttalo bali ntegera ku mulimu. Nali nyina akadaala we wakanga nnunda n'obukoko bwange. Naye nafuluma mu nnyumba muggulu ne gwekanga omulundi gumu mwekka. Ne kutandikirawo omusujja ne gutandikirawo ogw'ekitengo. Kati mmaze emyaka 2 nga nsunga mu basawo. Bwe ntyo sumba mwana wange oyo yandabirira akagange nagatunda.
Look at how the whole leg is rotting. But someone comes all of a sudden and says he just faked the wounds. Because it's so much.
Kugumba. Yo mwana wange n'agamba bakukolokote naye nakati we kutyo. Musumba sikyalina kenyina alina amaka mpangisa.
Kati otambula batotambula.
So can you walk?
Sola kutambula musumba era abaana bazze bansitudde musumba. Sola kutambuza bantegula buteguza abo. Mbayambulira abo abaana abo. Oyo naddala oyo omwana amwanyiraze n'okutuula tatudde bibuuzo. Nze nali muweerera.
Obeyambulira bakutegula
They just carry you, poor lady.
Sumba luwero musumba bulungi bunnuma mulusumba nsabira bambi.
Even the skin is now peeling off. The bone is even sin. It has lost flesh. Look at the flesh around the bone.
Sichaina ne Yosefa tusuza tubanja.
Look at how the woman's leg is rotting.
Right. You
said let the ring of the Lord work.
You
mean you can't stand accept that I put this ring a little bit, it won't hurt.
Right now,
we're talking
through
that ring,
I command that too much pain to stop it right now. Right now, I command.
I command that pain that's in her life to stop right now.
Her
lower parts of her body that weren't moving. Father, my Holy One, today, this lady, her sorrow is too much. I do not want her to go back home in this relationship. I want her to live here where she can walk on her own.
Right now, be healed. 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 I command
this pain to disappear. Stop. Stop. Pain. Stop. Right now. In the name of Jesus Christ.
The tears you've cried are your last today. These are your last tears. Today on this day, my God has never lied to me. Stand up and walk. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Pain. You'll
never feel it again. Stand up. The Lord has set you free.
In the name of Jesus Christ. In the name of Jesus Christ. In the name of Jesus Christ. Be healed.
You can walk. You can do yes. You try. Stand up. Stand up. They play for you. Manyi.